Thanks for tuning in to Custom in the Morning. Welcome to day 13 of Custom Restoration Bingo. First, though, Andrew, what's going on in the community today?
Water. There's water everywhere. Water in basements, water in attics, waters in bedrooms, water.
All right, and now to Carly in Florida with the weather.
Morning from Florida. It's 70 degrees and beautiful outside. Have a great day, everyone.
Thanks.
Cool.
This just in, your day 13 bingo numbers. Bingo number 1, in 45.
Bingo number 2, 72.
And day 13, bingo number 3, I 20. So to recap your day 13, we have in 45, I 20, and 72. Good luck!